Are you tired of guessing which API token is which in Wise? Rename them in 30 seconds with this simple trick. I know that feeling. You log into your Wise account, you need a specific API key for a project or an integration, and you're staring at a list of tokens all named something like API token 1, API token 2, and API token 3. It's impossible to tell which one does what. You don't want to delete the wrong one and break something. You don't want to generate a new one and have to update your code everywhere. It's a genuine headache. So I'll show you exactly where to click in your Wise account to edit any token name. Just follow these 5 steps. All right, let's get into it. Start by logging into your Wise account. You'll want to be on the main dashboard, the page you see right after you sign in. Now, look up to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or maybe just a little silhouette icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a menu with your account settings and a few other options. Don't get distracted by anything else here. We've got a very specific path to follow. From that profile menu, the option you're looking for is called Connect and Manage Apps. Click on that. And here's the thing. This is your central hub for anything that connects to your Wise account from the outside. If you've ever wondered where to find API settings or where to authorize third-party tools, this is the place. Bookmark this page in your mind. Now, on this new page, you'll see a few sections. It might show you connected apps, maybe some other integrations. But what we need is right here on the left-hand side, or sometimes listed as a tab. You want to find and click on API tokens. This is the main list of all the tokens you've ever created, and this is exactly where the pain point lives. You'll see them all lined up. They probably have names that don't tell you anything useful. I've been here myself, and it's frustrating. So, locate the specific token you want to rename. The one you're not quite sure about, or the one you know is for testing, or the one for your live production system. Next to each token, you should see a few action icons. Look for the one that looks like a little pencil, or maybe it just says Edit. Click on that Edit icon. This might take a moment to process, but usually it opens up directly into an editable field. And here's where the magic happens. You can now change the name. This is your chance to make your life easier. Instead of API token 1, type something descriptive. Something like staging environment, payment sync, or production, invoice integration, or even just for my personal app test. The exact name doesn't matter, as long as it makes sense to you. Once you've typed out your new descriptive name, make sure you save the change. There's usually a blue save button or a check mark. Click that. And that's it. Seriously, in just a few seconds, you've gone from having a confusing list of generic tokens to having a perfectly organized, clearly labeled list. Now, when you need a specific token, you can grab the right one instantly. No more guessing, no more broken integrations. It's a tiny change, but it saves you so much time and frustration down the road. Go ahead and rename the rest of your tokens while you're at it. You'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this saved you a little bit of a headache today.